Hi everyone, my name is Krishnamohan. I have created a college attendance system using Python, and using that there are two options. One is to register a new student and check the student. In first, after you type it will take 20 photos of it to store it in your local database, and after that, and you can see the images here. And second, after that, for our attendance live system, it will turn on the camera, and using the 20 images recognized, it will mark as present, and automatically CSV file export will be created.